mean? This is why you follow MJC Kitchens and Bathroom, because we only deal in facts, not fictions. Facts, not fictions. So you might be wondering why you haven't clicked that follow button yet. I am as well. But apart from that, we are testing whether the resin floor is any good for the bathroom. So I put my bathing suit on and I look quite affectionate, as it goes. I can't understand why I'm single, do you know what I mean? But never mind. So for this demonstration, we're going to be using a bit of, what's this? Recycled dovecare. So we need a bit of dovecare on. Because how do we know we can use it in the shower if we don't have a bit of dovecare on? It's cold, it's cold, very cold. Oh, it smells fresh, yeah. Whoo! Dovecare on. And then, you know what's next, don't you? You know what, I'm only doing this once for my followers, so we know whether this would be good in the shower or not. Do you know what I mean? So don't no one ask again. It's going to be cold, this. It's going to be cold. But this is the ultimate test. And then for after this test, we've got an hammer, Stanley Fat Max. That'll be the next. So, before further ado, let's just get on with it. Oh, it's cold. It's cold. Get a bit of soap on the floor. I tell you what, it's not slipping the slightest. Obviously, if you run across it, maybe you slip, but can you hear my feet sticking to it? I think it's manageable. So, let's get on to the next test. People says, is it hard wearing? Does it damage? Let's find out. Hammer. Can't really tell